Hello everyone, this is Mr. And in this video I want to show you how I was able to create my AWS virtual instance for cloud service administration. So first of all, I clicked on the AWS button in the AWS Academy dashboard or platform. If you don't have an account, you need to go to awsacademy.instructor.com, and then you could create a dashboard personally for yourself for learning. And so when I clicked on this, it took me to this place, the AWS instance, AWS Management Console. And first of all, you need to make sure that your region is selected in the instruction, which I did. So according to the instruction, it's supposed to be on Oregon, US West 2, which I did that. And then I clicked on services and selected E2. As you can see, the most recent tab that I visited was EC2, which is the Elastic Computer Cloud Services. So the EC2 is supposed to help me create the instances. Now, you scroll down and click on Launch Instance, which I did. And first of all, I'm supposed to name it, which is my name, my surname, plus the course code, which is 235. And then I'm supposed to select the image or the OS that I want to use, which is Windows. And selecting Windows is supposed to also configure some storage and hardware capacities as well. So here I'm supposed to create a new pair. Now this new pair is what is going to help me generate a password that is going to help me access the remote desktop file anytime I want to log in for my work. So I've already created a new pair, a new key pair, which I'm not going to do that again. And so after that, I'm supposed to create a security group that is going to allow the kind of networks that could be connected to the instance. And so I could select an existing security group, but it's preferable that you create a new one. Normally, there is no new existing one for a demo setting. So created a new security group allowing RDP traffic from anywhere. So make sure this is ticked, and then this is selected to anywhere. And then make sure that the storage is configured to default, which is 30 gig with a GP3 root. And then I launch instance. So once I finish launching the instance, as you can see, this is my instance right here. My name and the course code. It's in a state of running, which is healthy. And so this is the time zone as well, which is what is required. And so I click on the instance ID, and I get to connect. Now this is where I'm able to create my remote desktop file by going to the RDP clients, and then I make sure that this is selected to connect using the RDP clients, and then I download my remote desktop file, which is this, which I've pinned down here, and then I get a password. Now the password is what is going to help me log in. So what I'm going to do is I've already done that, which I'm not going to do that again. I click on get a password. And then after I have downloaded this and I launch it, I'm going to be required to use the password. Now, when I click on get a password, I am going to use the encrypted key that I downloaded earlier to generate the password. I'll have to upload it to generate the password, because that's what is going to help me decrypt the password. I'm going to decrypt the encrypted key to generate a password, yeah. And so that has already been done. I'm not going to walk into the process of doing that. And so after that, the password I'm going to generate is what I'm going to use to log in my Google desktop file when I launch it, right? So after launching and installing, I'm going to require to log in, and then yeah, boom. After that, my desktop file should be ready for remote cloud administration services. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.